Hi, Kickstart team. This is Phoebe, Product Manager at Zhonghe 3D. As a request, here is a raw demo of our working desktop 3D printer SLS1518. We are going to show you how to use our printer and what features it has. Before printing begins, we need to import a 3D model into our workbench software for slicing configuration. Then, the sliced file is transferred to our in-house developer software for format conversion before finally being saved to a USB drive. Please note that all SLS1518 printers are equipped with workbench software. You could use it for free without any extra cost, and this software is permanent. Our printer features a compact desktop design, measuring just 600 plus 622 plus 884 mm. This is a built chamber, which incorporates precise temperature control to maintain thermal stability with 0.5 degrees, ensuring optimal printing conditions that prevent warping and guarantee consistent, high-quality results. We are now loading the printer with PA12 nylon powder. Over material, and it's also compatible with other professional-grade powders, including PA11, TPU, PA with carbon fiber, PA with glass fiber. This is the printer's 7-inch display interface, where we configure the key printing parameters such as speed and temperature. Let me show here. Temperature setting, and beauty blend parameter, laser parameter. Before printing begins, the system requires a 15 to 25 minutes preheating phase. Once finished, the laser selectively sinters the nylon powder, fills it layer by layer into solid objects. What you see now is a powder bed being scanned. The printer will continue this process automatically until the part is full formed or without the need for support structure. Our engineering team has further optimized efficiency by implementing a dual powder feeding system with 2 axes. This innovation reduced the total printing time within 18 hours for a full build volume, significantly boosting productivity and improving material utilization. Now we are in the scaling process. Here is the freshly printed part. We will now move the entire beauty champion to our post-process station for depowdering. This all-in-one system handles powder removing, sharing, recycling, and mixing. Now the powder is moving to the post-process machine. Then you need to take out of the model at first. After you find it, you will use the brush to clean it. After this process is finished, you will use the sieving process. Then you will get the older powder. After this process is finished, you will need to weigh how many kilograms you have. And need to mix around 20% of the new powder together. Let's mix it here. Yes, this is the mix process. After this process is finished, so the powder is being ready for the next printing stage, next printing job. Yeah, let's go to the sandblasting process, because currently now it still have some powder in the surface. We need to clean it. Let's go over there. With this strong airflow, you could remove the powder completely. So after this process is finished, you will get what you want. Notice this exception detail, smoothing software. Let's check what's the final size of this part. Oh. The design file for this part is 15 mm, and currently now we get 15.2 within the size. And since this is SLS, you could produce complex interlocking assemblies like this in a single print. Here is some samples from this SLS printer. So this is a real-time look at our SLS1518. It's fully functionally precisely as we advised. We are incredibly excited to bring this power to the desktop. Thanks for your time and thanks for your attention.